This is our Yamaha 115 horsepower outboard, 2-stroke engine. I'm gonna put a life jacket on. Our family reunion has just ended. Everybody has left. And I am going back. And I'm going to the truck so I can load this thing up. As a matter of fact, put that on there. And we got the all clear. Beep, beep. This. I'm gonna make a lap around this lake right now. It's best if you try not to do this. We're gonna raise it up on a plane a little bit. Damn. Okay, everybody, this is Lake Ann, the biggest lake out of the 3 that we're in. Another lake's down a channel that way. My truck's going to be backing up here soon, so we're going to slow it down extra slow. But I think we're going to beats it out here. We're just going to explore. It's a wonderful day in this boat, I'm telling you. I think we gotta lubricate that cylinder because it's making some weird noises. Man, I love driving a boat myself. I think that's as tight as it can go. Straighten it up. We're gonna beats it here. Wait for Grandpa to come with the truck. Nope, wrong way. Pick it up just enough. Wonderful. Wonderful. He's coming with a truck anyway. That's the ramp right there, so we got some fun things to do. We're gonna he's coming in the truck. We're going to stop this video right here. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And like and comment if you're watching this on Facebook and another site that I'm active on. See ya.